Physical therapist for the Angel Review Eagle. The rugby first rugby team is picking up the upper stash. She goes shoulder to shoulder. The Sophie to the upper right. Now after they come back 1, 2, and that Nelson straight back end. There's a very good to the upper right. They understand.